student, myself Shumona from Semi Foundation. Today we have to learn an interesting topic named cancer cell. Today we learn that what is cancer cell, what is the symptom of cancer, what is the treatment of cancer, how many type of cancer are here, and how cancer is spread. So now let's get started. Cancer is the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells anywhere in a body. Cancer cell. It is also called malignancy. Causative agents of cancer is chemical, toxic compound, exposure, ionizing radiation, some pathogens. Most cancer for tumors, but not all the tumors are cancers. So here the important line is most cancer for tumor, but not all the tumors are cancerous. So now we have to know the symptom of cancer. Mainly depend on the type, but general symptoms are fatigue, weight loss, pain, skin changes, unusual bleeding, persistent cough, and fever. What is the treatment of cancer? The treatment of cancer is chemotherapy, radiation, and surgery. Types. Now we have to know the common type of cancer. National Cancer Institute gives the common type of cancers such as bladder cancer, breast cancer, endometrial, leukemia, pancreatic, thyroid cancer, lung, melanoma, kidney cancer, lymphoma, prostate, colon and rectal cancer. The most common cancer in male, prostate, lung and colorectal cancer. And in female, most common cancer is breast, lung and colorectal cancer. And in children, most common cancer as leukemia, brain tumor or lymphoma cancer. Here we have to know the some cancer related terms and the affected organs. Number 1 is sarcoma. Sarcoma begins with skin or tissues that lines the internal organs like skin, lung and pancreatic. Next, sarcoma. Sarcoma begins in bone or cartilage or other connective tissue. Next, we have leukemia. Leukemia begins in blood-forming tissues, causes large number of abnormal blood cells and enters the blood. Leukemia affected ages are 0 to 5 years, 14 to 18 years, 19 to 14 years and 60 plus people have this type of cancer. Now we have to know about lymphoma. Lymphoma starts from white blood cells. Affected lymph nodes or specific sites are stomach, brain or intestine. And now we have to know the type melanoma. Melanoma begins in plasma cells, type of blood cancer. Plasma cells are capable of producing various antibodies. It can damage the bones, kidney, red blood cells count. So the terms which cancer related is very important and you have to memorize all of the terms. Now we have to know the central nervous system cancers. The central nervous system cancers start with brain tissue and spinal cord. The brain controls the body by sending electrical messages along nerve fibers. Brain and spinal cord forms the central nervous system. In this slide, we have to know the process of spread of cancer. Primary and secondary cancer site. The place where a cancer starts in the body is called primary cancer. and these are spread to other part of the body. So after occurring cancer in primary site, these are spread to other parts of the body. These can form other tumors are known as secondary cancers. Spread to other areas of body. It can spread to other parts of the body through the bloodstream or lymphatic system. In order to spread, some cells from the primary cancer must break away and travel to another part of the body and start growing there. Some are go into blood vessels called capillaries. Now we have to know the spread of cancer through the blood circulation. So how cancer spread through blood circulation? When cancer cells go into the small blood vessels and get into bloodstream, they are called circulation tumor cells. These get stuck somewhere in very small blood vessels such as capillary. Moves through the wall of the capillary and into the tissue of the organ. Now we have to know the spread of cancer through the lymphatic system. So how cancer spread through the lymphatic system? The lymphatic system is a network of tube and glands in the body that filters body fluid and fight infections. Cancer cells go into the lymph vessels and travel into nearby lymph glands and go to form tumors in the lymph node. Here we have to know the properties of cancer cells. It shows uncontrolled mitotic division. Due to uncontrolled growth, tumor is formed. They are less adhesive than normal cells. They exhibit no of alteration, and they exhibit number of alteration, lack differentiation than normal cells. They lose ability to communicate with other cells. They lose sensitivity. They lose adhesion molecules. It is an genetic disease, inherited cancer or sporadic cancer. It can involve changes in gene expression, lack of contact inhibition, loss of limitation on the number of cell division, ability to grow in culture, and angiogenesis. So in this short video class, you get to know that what is cancer cell, how many types of cancer are there, what is the treatment, and how cancer spread through the lymphatic system, through blood system, and most important, there are some terms which are cancer related, and the terms that affected organs you also learn, and properties of cancer cell. All the things you are learned from this video, and this is very important for every human being to know about cancer and their symptoms, and be safe from all of the disease. So student, for today that's all. Keep learning and thank you.